Hey everybody, Dr. John here. Just want to bring to light a concept that I discussed with patients, and I just had this great conversation last week in the office with this patient. I thought it might be relevant and good for a share. So the concept is 3 layers deep, and what I mean by that is when we're trying to improve something in our life, let's say we want to improve our fitness level, and the first layer would be, or the first action step would be, you buy a membership or you put a treadmill in your basement. We've all done that. And then we look at it. So that would be the kind of scratching the surface. The next layer deep would be you'd actually use it on a consistent basis, right? Or you go to the gym and actually use the membership you're paying for. And that would be better than the first layer. But it's where the third layer, that's kind of where things change. And that would be saying you're going to hire some help. And you might be a fitness coach, or it might be a personal trainer, something to motivate you, or even an accountability partner to move forward in changing the action that you want to change. Another example would be, I want to eat better. We all have these same things. These are relevant to all of us, right? We want to eat better. The first layer might be like, okay, as a family, we're going to decide no more fast food. Done. Okay, that would be a great place to start, and that would be, again, scratching the surface. The next one would be, though, maybe something like we're going to make grocery lists before we go shopping, or we're going to only eat whole foods, something like that. So it's the next level, still much better than the first one, but where things change, as I say, it's on that third level deep. So the next one would be to eat better would be, I'm going to make a meal plan and a snack plan for my week every single week. So there's no decision making, the food on Monday is already made. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, makes it easier for you. That is, again, where you're going to make the best change in your diet or nutrition. This is relevant with a patient because he was asking us, why is it that we do these certain tests and all this stuff that we do in our office that he's never seen before? And, let's talk about health for a minute. The healthcare system is set up for pain relief, and that would be like the scratch the surface. So a patient comes in, they're in pain, they have indigestion, whatever they have, we want to help them with that symptom. Totally get it. The easiest thing to do for a patient, obviously, would be to take a pill, but I think inherently deep down they know that's probably not the best thing over a long period of time. So that would be the first layer. The second layer, though, and why we do this is we look at not only how the patient is feeling or the symptoms, which is layer 1, we look at how you're functioning. A functional exam like range of motion, blood pressure, grip strength, bilateral weight scale, all these things give us that next layer of health. What that tells us is it allows us to see how you go about your day. It allows us to see how you function and how you're able to carry out the basic tasks of living. So that's really relevant for us. And then the third layer, and this is where special things happen in people's health, is we look at how you're healing. How are you healing? Well, we can look at your nervous system by looking at the infrared thermography scans. We can look at your x-rays, and we can draw lines on those to say, are you where you are? Are you moving forward, or are you moving backwards? So the layers of kind of deepness in terms of health is how you feel, how you function, and then how you feel, how you function, and then how you're healing. And, this is relevant. If you're trying to change anything in your life, and it might be nutrition or gym like we talked about, question yourself, ask yourself, where are you right now? What level are you on? And what can you do? What action steps can you do to take you to the next level or the deeper layer? Because that is where change is going to happen. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, have a great day.